Hey Rachel, it's lifestyle expert Preston Konrad here, and welcome to my apartment in New York City. We have been fast and furiously renovating this apartment, and one of the areas that I did spend a little bit of time on is my closet. I worked in fashion for 20 years. Needless to say, I've got a lot of stuff in a small amount of space. Let me show you some of my tips and tricks. I keep everything organized by color, like my neutrals, my greens, and one of my favorite tips to doing that is to grab these great closet organizers. You can buy them at any big box store. They keep all of your sweaters and folded items standing up straight and organized perfectly. If you've got bright sweaters or folded items, I like to keep them separate in their own little stack, plus it adds a fun pop of color to your closet. Use extra blank storage shelving in your closet to add in your favorite bags, and then for pants and bottoms, check this out. This is an old stylist trick from when I worked in fashion. These clear plastic hangers will be your absolute best friend. We use them on all of our photo shoots. They are not only affordable, but they condense really tightly so you can squeeze a lot into a small space. I like to make sure that my closet is full of wardrobe staples so I can easily build outfits, and something that everybody needs, no matter what your style is a few of the classics. I love a great pair of chinos in this khaki color or even in an olive color, and you can easily pair that to a great denim shirt. Clearly I have an obsession because I have 4 shades of blue, multiple shades of black, creams here, but it's such an easy mix and match wardrobe. And then I keep my everyday cologne right where it's easily accessed. My longer coats, I organize them by color. I've got my fun winter plaid in the front, and then I go through all of my solids like my navies, my blacks, my browns. Clearly, I have a coat problem. While I plan out the full renovation of this bedroom closet, I did want to cover up the frosted glass doors that were here. I had to look at my clothes every single night when I went to bed, and it just felt a little too sterile. So I grabbed this great adhesive peel and stick seagrass wallpaper, applied it to all 4 panels of the door. It makes the room feel cozy, and I don't have to look at my stuff when I go to sleep. While that's plenty of storage space in my bedroom, I worked in fashion for so long, I have a lot of stuff and I needed more. So we did a little bit of renovating actually in the living room behind me to build an entire new closet. It's finished, I want you guys to see, come on. I have LED lighting on a remote, and then far here on the left, I've got actually double hanging for all of my shorter coats. Told you I have a coat problem. Again, stick things by color, texture, weight, and then if you have smaller items, like I love a good baseball cap, I keep them all organized on the top so I can grab them right before I run out the door. All of my suits and dress shirts. A tip for you guys if you're organizing shirts, I love doing colors, solids, stripes, and then using velvet hangers. Really good fashion tip. Not only will keep all of your stuff really secure to the hanger, but it'll give you so much space to squish things in and fit more. And then down here, I've got some more of my little bags. I actually use this letter organizer from one of those office stores to store my little pouches. Then I've got my jeans organized by fit and all of my cashmere and thin knits below. I've got a busy day here in New York City, so I'm about to head out the door. I hope you learned some helpful tips and tricks, and stay stylish.